Yes, baby.
Me I go buy one bicycle.
You want one bicycle? Alright, when grandpa get money, grandpa buy it, yeah, baby?
2 bicycles for Piers and Sammy.
Okay. You want bicycle for Paige, your cousin Paige, and Sani.
Yes.
So you want 3 bicycle.
Yes.
Okay,
3
for you
bicycle.
and your 2 cousins. Alright. You
Me
hear that, my people?
I want Mickey Mouse one.
You want one Mickey Mouse one.
Yeah.
Alright, my people,
2
you hear that?
Mickey Mouse for
That's my little
Sammy and
granddaughter.
Piers.
My little granddaughter says she need a bicycle. No? What she want, I must buy 3.
3 for Piers
She
and Sammy.
as my granddaughter, Paige as my granddaughter, and Kwame as my next little granddaughter. Okay? Yeah. So, you see it? She not look out for herself alone, no people. This is a lovely girl. Trust me. What a beautiful girl she is. She have a nice mind from that early. You see? She not beg for herself alone. She say, remember Paige and Kwame. Alright, people, so we don't know. As if me get the money still, if me make the money, I don't know as me say my channel nah make no money as yet. But if we make the money, my people, and there's a God you never know. I buy them car. You don't know them are my future. Yeah man. So I have to take care of them, you see, and love them. Cause I don't know, we don't say our family, I have to drive, come look for them and come look for Paige. But Paige asleep, my people. You see me? Paige asleep right now. So
Piers run up and down.
Paige, yeah, Paige run up and down and get tired and go bed and go and sleep.
And then Syria down and suck titty.
Okay. What you gonna scratch you, so? What you gonna scratch you? Scratch you, scratch you?
When Mastita buying me,
Yeah.
me no crap them.
You hear that, my people? When mosquito bite my little granddaughter to her skin scratch her. Oh my God, what a very intelligent little granddaughter this me have, my people. I am so proud of her. God knows, I'm proud of her. My people, mind put in the comment section and make me tell me when you think about my little granddaughter. Kiki. Kiki? Kiki? You love grandpa? Alright. This is grandpa YouTube channel, yeah baby? Yeah? Say hi to my people, them say hi, hello. Tell the people them hi, hello, wave to them. Say hello. Say hello. Alright. Say good day people. Say it. Good day people. Don't be shy. Don't be shy, yeah? Don't be shy. You are so beautiful. You are what? You are so beautiful. Yeah. So you're not for shy, yeah me? You hear me? See me. See my daughter, you know, see my daughter, yeah, my people.
Grandpa.
Yeah. That's my daughter.
Grandpa.
Yes, baby?
Look. My daddy get one bigger size for me preppers.
Want your slippers? Your slippers? Okay. Alright. But just come for none of your father, you know, so. I'm gonna look for your father.
My father?
Yeah, I'm gonna look for your father first. I'm gonna look for you, none of your father, and say you over your grandmother. So my drive come over your grandmother, come look for you, and say me I come look for you and look for Paige one time. You copy me, I say? Yeah. That is it. You see?
When me and Piers and Sam run up and down, and then we get
Tired.
when we are prayer be a begin, and then we are prayer be a begin.
I play a baby game.
Yeah.
Okay.
Grandpa.
Yes, baby?
Grandpa, the back that?
The back? Yeah, that is the back seat.
Back seat.
Yeah. How would this look when people? Say hi to my people then. What me do and say hi to my people then?
I get him.
You don't get him?
No.
Him there they are clean.
I.
That's my daughter, Tia, my people. Favor me, don't people. Yeah, man, favor me bad, man. What am I picking them favor me, you know?
Yeah, cause we're gonna.
Okay. Mr. say I mean, you know.
Necessary,
Um,
we're not come back down.
um, let's tell you why him Baltimore ago and why him say him don't know him.
But him know Rhyme though.
But why you never show Ryan, you never show Ryan
We
in it.
sure Rhyme him, but he
Hmm?
never stop it. I know the name when we get on the road we have go on.
That is your
Uncle.
uncle. That is your uncle. Jonah, Uncle Jonah. That is your Uncle Jonah. I passed a while ago around there. We just check it. But it could like today's a day, see them people. Uncle, that is Jonah, look at Jonah, that last boy. Today's a day when we just I look for me picking them. Oh my God, I'm going for Richard Franklin town. We don't know gas. But we just have the vibes there today, see me?
When me and Sai jump on in bed,
Oh, baby?
Yeah, say yeah.
me and Sai jump on the bed.
Oh, you inside jump on the bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
When we go
She
outside,
said if I buy her a bicycle, I'm going to make sure I buy Page one and Shani one.
Charmy.
Calmy one.
Charmy.
Charmy. Yeah. So she said, if I make sure, and she want the one with the one we want, what's up, what? Wait, one we want to have the what? The bicycle we want. What's up, the what?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey
bicycle.
Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Yeah. So she want a Mickey Mouse and must make sure she buy her cousin Page one and our next cousin Kwame one. So must buy 3 bicycle people. That's my granddaughter request. I don't know if anybody can really jump out to it and really push out and help. No? My loving granddaughter, if you are rich, God know. Yeah, man. So, say I again to the people. Them.
And give,
Huh?
give
Come on,
bigger
Tyson.
one.
Come on, I box it. Hmm? Where you say, baby? Where you say?
When,
Where you say all ago?
when, 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 when.
Alright, don't force a member. Don't force a member, okay? When you member, you member, okay?
When and a boo boo.
Yeah. That's my 11 little granddaughter, you know? Yeah. She said her grandmother inside. And her grandmother not feel too red.
When me and Sammy a pick up dirt, and then Tia say, get up from there.
Okay.
And me go to grandma.
Alright.
Piet and Sammy dear run up in an house.
Okay.
And then we go outside.
Okay. So I go school Monday?
Yeah.
Okay. What you learn at school so far? When you go to school, where them teach you? When you go to school, what you learn?
ABC.
Okay, you learn ABC. Anything else? Anything else? What else you learn? What else you learn?
Summer.
You can spell your name? What is your name?
Wakira Robinson.
Lataya Robinson. Can you spell it for me, please?
Raqira. Wakira.
Yeah. And how you spell Robinson? Spell Robinson. Spell Robinson. Yeah. R-O-B. I-N. S-O-N. That is Robinson. And you spell Lataya L-O-T-A. I-A.
Grandpa.
Yes, baby.
When 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 me when me daddy carry him pan him neck, that's why me did then carry when me daddy say who that and then we are go pass care me.
Okay. Alright, baby. No problem, alright? Yeah, my people, so this is me and my granddaughter. I just say, if I buy her a big toy, buy her a big toy, must buy
A green monster.
a green, what name?
Green monster.
A green monster?
Yeah.
Okay. What name, so I don't know that maybe. What that's the green monster?
Green monster.
Okay, or something you play with?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I buy a green monster and a bicycle with a Mickey Mouse on it. But anything me I buy her, must remember our little cousin, our two little cousin, which is
And me and big cousin.
your big cousin. Alright, you're the bright one. You're the bright one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'll keep up a brightness when I go to school.
You can get me.
Okay, when I go to school, you must always learn and listen to a teacher talk to you, yeah?
Yeah.
And becomes a perfect educator. Yeah, my girl?
When my teacher beat me and then
Teacher beat you?
yeah.
So you do for teacher beat you?
When we get up, teacher beat me.
When you get up a teacher beat you?
Yeah.
Just so?
Yeah.
You just get up and she just beat you, baby?
Yeah. It's hard.
It hot. Must hot, man. Who did my kerchief? People, I don't know about something in my eye see me, trust me. My eye, I don't know. Through the whole part dust blow so strong. The cold front, bro.
When 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 them say so
When Tia come, I bet Tia look for my
Rihanna
eye for me.
come and then run go inside and tell grandma.
You run go inside the grandma?
Yeah.
When who?
Hmm?
Why?
That's why them say Rihanna come.
Oh, rain not come, okay. Alright, yeah, must always run out of the rain when you see rain not come. If it rain with you, yeah? You catch cold and sick.
Yeah. Me no want go in on rain.
Yeah, not for going out the rain. Not for going out the not for going out the rain. Something in
Cause
my ear bother
past
me,
the
you know.
rain. When me and grandma outside at night, when rain fall on night road, it a wake up everybody.
Hmm?
That's why dear not sweep. Sammy appears and sweep. Baby
People?
dear not sweep.
My eye bother me, baby.
Hmm?
My eye. I something in my eye. Something in my eye. You see it in my eye? Yeah, I see it in my eye, that one now.
Hmm?
You see it?
What in night?
Tell me now. Look and tell me.
One bees.
I don't know what they night, baby. When Tia come, Tia for the look for me. Something in my eye.
When I know Beyonce bust me daddy bomb. What that?
This? Kerchief.
My daddy no have no one.
Hmm?
My daddy have one art. You have art too?
Yeah. My eye, baby. Something in my eye. Something in my eye. Something in my eye. That bother me, you know. That bother me.
That?
Oh, something in my eye, baby. Something in my eye.
Some do in my eye.
No. Something in my eye.
Are you rusty that?
It broke.
It broke? My rusty broke too.
Tia, looking at my eye. I don't know. My eye just start giving me a problem. Looking at my eye. Something in my eye. Something in my eye. I can't.
When dust line in your eye, because some want to get problem in the dust line in my
When
eye.
we see a frog and then the
You
frog
just
jump
wipe out
out
the
in
eye.
the
Now wipe it out, but you can't. It's still in night, man.
Eye dust.
And the dust.
I'm going to get some wash up my
That's
eye.
how much up my now come out.
I wash it out too?
Yeah, but I know the time can feel the stone in my eye.
Yeah, man. Something in my eye, man. Something in my eye.
But bring you ready here.
I say I go wash up.
Yeah, I'm going to go buy a milk before it was here like.
Wait, up the road.
No, out of front.
What that from?
Yeah.
So if you just say to come, I'll go on. If you just say to come,
Yeah, can say to me come. I'm not far me I go.
me people, trust me. I don't know what to me eye, my people. Something in my eye, I give me problem. For me, a driver come here, me and talk, when people say something down in my eye, I don't know what. I don't know from my eyelash, like I'm eyelash, you know. Or my eyelash, you know. Not here. Probably my eyelash, I go down on my eyeball. And I affect me. Huh? No, no.
Grandpa,
This is feel
Grandma
away.
inside.
Yeah.
Who? No?
Wow.
Some of them on my papers.
Something the principals?
Me no know what. Can't kiss me.
Nina na Momo, you can get me.
Nene boo, you can't get me.
Nina na Momo, you can get me.
So,
Eh?
in a name so.
Oh, you say you don't name so? You don't name so?
In a name
It no name so? Okay, what name?
Nene boo, you can't get me.
Me, boo boo, you can get me. Am I right? Am I right? I say it right now?
Not that.
Not that. Then have teach man, teach grandfather. Teach grandfather.
Nene boo, you can't get me.
Me, boo boo, you can get me.
Not that.
Tell me again, teach me.
Nene boo, you can't get me.
Me, boo boo, you can get me. Right, yay! Me say it right, touch it. I mean, grandpa learn, don't it? You teach grandpa, don't it? Alright. Me, boo boo, you can get me. I am hiding from you now. Me, boo boo, you can get me. I am hiding in the shed. So it go. Alright, sing it now, Maria.
Nene boo, you can't get me.
Oh, I'm a granddaughter, trust me. Yeah, man, people. Yeah, man. That time I rich for you, right? I know if you get a bicycle with a Mickey Mouse on it, you know? And the big what's up my name?
The big one big. That's why the big one big.
What name?
Another Mickey Mouse bicycle.
Okay, you want a Mickey Mouse bicycle, okay.
So you go there, Daddy.
And for
Junior call
baby.
you. Go on.
What go on, Dust?
1, 2, 3,
When we look for your dust, me I see you, boy. May I tell you? Yeah, man. Yeah. Well, favor and father, that's shame. Real dust. You know dust?
Sir.
I might not know him. You say, I remember him, I carry go out dust, man. Have the bar up across with us, sir.
Sir.
Huh? I might not go up a dust side, man. Probably a Rahim then. Man, why not go up a dust side, man? I not walk, I be a Rahim then, I be a Rahim.
Tia, you don't have to comb ear out.
I'm not coming here after you have to wash.
My ear. Grandpa,
Yes, baby?
my tongue pink.
Your tongue is pink?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's how it will stay. Pink tongue is for girl. And you are a?
Hmm?
You are
A girl.
a girl. Okay. So your tongue must pink. That's all? Pink is for girl, don't it? Tell the people them, hello, good day to you, my people. Tell the people them, hello, good day to you.
Hello, good day to you.
I love you. Tell them, I love you.
I love you.
Alright. Nice girl.
Man afraid.
No, you're not afraid, yeah? You're not afraid because you're beautiful. You are so beautiful. You are the world. You are so beautiful. You are the world now. You are so beautiful. Beautiful to me. I would have run at some people. Tia. Or shall I laugh at my people? My people. Tia, you want me to sing and Tia, you want to laugh off of me. Tia, make you laugh off of your father. Eh?
No, I'm not laugh, man.
When your father sing to him granddaughter, you laugh off of me. Oh God. Should we not advice? So she stay? Man, sing to you and she'll laugh. That good? Yeah, that not bad. That is bad, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is bad. She should never laugh off her niece. Listen to.
Grandma, me a laugh.
Grandma not laugh.
No.
Okay. You must be she laugh, okay? Must sing for her. Be boo 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 me mama to pity pity. Hey. Tia, my daughter, what you doing?
Yeah, man.
Why, trust me. One this thing of it. Come out of my eye, bro. Trust me, I'm not telling a lie. Stay out of my eye. You must see that movement, that moving in my eye
Going
now. Come down, so now.
That's why when
You come right
the
down,
wind
so
go
now.
open, it start hurt you.
It hurt me for true, baby.
It a go hot. It a go hot when you walk.
I may drive it to the hotter.
Hot?
A while ago, I drive, I come over, it come like it nearly want me crash cars, that give me a problem.
What do we aim?
Hmm?
What do we aim?
What do him? Not do him. Oh, so you see picture, yes, I ask me what do him. Not do him, baby. You're so intelligent and you think out of the box.
Tinkers?
Huh? No, I say you're thinking out of the box. I say you use your brains.
Thinking
You're using your brains, okay?
the brain?
Yeah, use your brains. Which is good. Okay? Yeah, it is good. It is good for you to can use your not think. Not truth here?
S
Yeah.
R P
Cause even there she say, I say, why you scratching up? Why you scratching? She said, mosquito bite me, and no mosquito bite me, but my skin scratch me. So, you know, yeah, I like those kind of response. You understand me? Yeah, her brain is very athletic. I like that. Is it? Yeah.
I don't want to scratch it.
So, no, my good people, them, yeah, man. One side say,
When
Page just sleep with
master
people.
bite me on horse and then it bite me.
They want some mosquito, something for mosquito. Some people
For me and
don't know. Just watch the
it
video
a
for my
go
people. Just
hard.
watch the video and get the watch hours. I watch hours, man, wait for my people. Watch hours, man, wait for my people. Do me a beg, just watch the video. Just watch the video. You see? That me can get for support my lovely granddaughter and buy her a bicycle with the Mickey Mouse on it. And buy my next granddaughter next one and buy know me one too cause she requests it and I'm going to buy it. I feel make my granddaughter feel happy. Okay? Yeah. Imagine if Paige there and Paige tell me what she want. But she not there if tell me what she want, but she'll get her bicycle.
Someone get some too.
Mm-hmm.
One Kia and one so
I'm on
one
Paige.
pump
I want better money for buy
and one stamp.
uniform for Paige. Can buy uniform for Paige, that Paige can go.
When me find press it get hot.
Uniform now press?
No, it get hot.
Okay.
I want to buy me one new uniform for me put on.
You see me pull my flash my phone and not tear. Man tell me to give him $5,000. I tell me say my phone I don't look my tell me about you see your kind of phone you have, bro. I don't look you that phone this you know. It's a phone that take more like you say it take higher signal for the internet for use. You see?
What kind of phone then?
That one here? I know this. And the next one, A34. I mean, not tell us say one never work. I mean, not tell us say one never work. Yes, baby? I'm here, sure. Yes,
I
baby?
want to buy me some more.
What is that, baby?
One toy aeroplane.
Want a little play, you will play you can play with?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want play food.
And play what? Play what?
Play food.
Play food? For eat?
No, enough to eat.
Oh, food where you can learn for cook, where you play for cook with and so forth.
Yeah.
Like you want a dolly set like with your pot and your spoon and your where you can
And one horse too.
and look also you can put a little dolly in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one little baby.
A little baby, yeah, a little dolly. A little dolly.
And little baby.
What my people, you look at the granddaughter. Look at granddaughter is so sensible. Trust me. So she want a little playthings them so she can play with. A little dolly set with a little house.
Piazza go fight me.
Mosquito bite you?
Some more. And then she will block it. And then me I go cry.
You go cry? No, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. If you broke something, don't cry, yeah? Tell your auntie, okay? Call your auntie or your grandma and make your grandma know. Or your auntie know, yeah? Don't cry.
Piazza go cry.
Paige tell when Paige a cry, stop her. Tell her, no Paige, don't cry. Cause grandfather don't want to cry, yeah?
Piazza jump on me bed. That's why it
Yeah,
don't
man.
good.
You must bump on it too.
Boom dip on my hand.
Bump. Soon get rid of them, baby. Soon get something up on your hand.
My daddy have one okra. It'll go burn me.
To burn you.
Yeah. And me I go climb on the window. When me I cry, nobody don't make me come down on the window. Me did come out by myself.
Come put the face on us and get a thumbnail. Put the face in the yes, sir, clear. Put up your face, man. Turn on the face, baby. Yeah, that is it. That is my thumbnail, you know. Me and my daughter and my granddaughter. Face right there, the 400
When
thumbnail.
me eat so much sweetie,
Huh?
this me teeth start hurt me in your soul.
Uh-huh.
When teeth start hurt me.
Where's the thing? Okay.
And she get up. Pia, she get up. At the window that. Two window there. Two window.
Yeah.
Inside the granny house.
Yeah.
One they far away.
Okay.
Over. One they far away.
My daughter
Over.
house. But I'm living in one fix up my people, trust me, see it? Nothing now go on, the money now run. Trust me.
And there's a two.
No? Time comes still.
One big window.
Yeah, man.
Two window.
Give them the life for them comfortable.
Two window.
Yeah, man, I'm there with me. Granddaughter, my daughter, you know. Next one, it's one of them. Next one asleep. Paige. Mrs. Page. Her name is Paige. What is your name, baby? What is your name?
Bakara Robinson.
Yeah, how will them call you? What your name your daddy call you?
Rakaira.
Lataya.
Rakaira.
She real tired. Oh my God. She ramp out her tiredness. Her energy gone with people.
She rampart.
Her energy.
She ballad. She say bombard.
Who say so?
Piers.
And you follow her?
Me not. Yeah, me the Farah.
Yeah, you follow her because you said it a while ago, don't it?
Yeah.
And you say what kind of word it is?
Bombard.
Bad word.
Hmm?
Bad word. You call it bad word.
And me say pussy too. Piano Farah me.
Don't hear nobody and say any bad word and follow them, okay? Just try, learn to read.
When one big book there in a yard, me do you read it?
Yeah, you must read.
Me
I
mark
must
it up.
count. Read and count.
And me just mark it up.
Alright. So you must read and count and what? You must read and count and spell. See? So you have to learn to spell, learn to read, and learn to count. Yeah,
When
baby?
me tell it right, come on, and then somebody know me it come off.
Okay.
Me just press it just alone, the white one. It did come up, come side, me una I earth.
Okay.
And then me not drive really and
People, man, tell you.
in the sweet him a go fall out.
See, yeah,
And
affect
me
my eye.
monkey kiss him here.
This thing affect my eye.
Ooh,
Something blowing on my eye, affect my eye, baby.
bumper buy me too.
People can comment let me know when we can do for my eye, okay? Yeah, man. I'm comment let me know when I think about my granddaughter.
Me I go buy one teddy bear for you. Stop I hurt you.
Yeah, buy one teddy bear for me. Show my eye hurt me.
That's why I go buy a sweet teddy bear. The bottom and people now come on.
The slippers them stay down there. When you're ready to take it up, yeah? When you're ready to come out to take it up, yeah? Yeah?
You go for peers and son for prayer with.
She's asleep still.
Why?
She asleep.
See, I go get more energy.
Mm-hmm.
Means the big man no